question is question number 10, and this is a similar question as we did previously. So two curves are given. One is parabola and another is line. So we have to find out the intersection of these two, right? So here x square is equal to 4y, that is curve number 1, and x is equal to 4y minus 2. X is equal to 4y minus 2, right? So this is equation number 2. So finding intersection of these two, here 4y is x square, so substituting x square here, we get x is equal to x square minus 2, right? From 1 we get x is equal to 4y is x square, substituting here, so that is x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. We get x square minus x minus 2 is equal to 0. So factor of this is x minus 2, x plus 1 is equal to 0. That is x is equal to 2 or x is equal to minus 1, right? So if we take x is equal to 2, so x is equal to 2, then from 2 or from 1, we can substitute here in 2. So from 2, what we get, if you write to this as this, 4y is equal to x plus 2, that is y is equal to x plus 2 by 4. Say this is result number 2. Okay, so from 2 what we get, x is equal to 2 plus 2, 4 divided by 4. From 2 y is equal to 1, and if we take x is equal to minus 1, then from 2 we get y is equal to, x is minus 1, so minus 1 upon 4, sorry, minus 1, so minus 1 plus 2 is 2, right? So 1 upon 4, 2 by 4, right? 4, sorry, 1 by 4. So therefore intersecting points are y1 and minus 1, 1 upon 4, right? Minus 1, 1 upon 4. So now draw a figure, right? This is a parabola of y-axis. So parabola of y-axis is this is a parabola of y-axis, right? This is origin, x-axis, y is equal to 0, y-axis, x is equal to 0, and this is x square is equal to 4y. X square is equal to 4y. Now the line x is equal to 4y minus 2. Now see, this is a line x is equal to 4y minus 2, that is this line. Now if we take 0, then this is passing through. If we take x is equal to 0, then what we get, y 2 by 4, that is 1 upon 2, right? So x is 0, then we get y is equal to half. X is 0, then y is equal to half, that is y is half is somewhere here, right? And if we take y equal to 0, if we take y equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 2, so x is equal to minus 2 somewhere here, right? So this line is just like this. I have to write carefully because it must be intersecting. Sorry, this is straight nahi gayi. This is a line, right? So this is line, x is equal to 4y minus 2. So this is a point as we discussed. If we take intersection with x-axis, means y equal to 0. So y equal to 0, then x is minus 2. So this is minus 2 comma 0. This point it doesn't require for us, right? But for roughly this is 0 comma, I think so, half. Because for intersecting of y-axis you have to take x equal to 0. So x equal to 0, then y is equal to half, right? But these points are important point, that is intersection point. So intersection point of two curves are 2 comma 1, that is in first quadrant. So this is 2 comma 1, and minus 1 comma 1 upon 4 is this minus 1 comma 1 upon 4. So we are interested for area bounded by curves these two curves, that is this. So this is our part of interest. हमको ए एरिया फाइंड करना है. तो देखो चॉकलेट बन गई, वो स्ट्रेट वाली चॉकलेट, एक स्ट्रेट है वैसा ए से भी चॉकलेट आती है ना, वो चॉकलेट हो गई है ना, हो गई ना. तो क्या करेंगे, कोई भी एक लिमिट ले सकते हैं, तो हम x की ही लेंगे. तो x की लिमिट लेंगे, क्या होगा, -1 to 2, f1 minus f2 करेंगे, as we discussed in previous question, right? So as shown in figure, a is equal to mod I, where I is equal to integration -1 to 2 limit x, right? So -1 to 2, and first curve is line. So from this we have to make a y to a subject, that is this, that is x plus 2 by 4 minus second curve is our x square is equal to 4y, that is x square by 4. What we get? X square by 4 if we make y to a subject dx. Now this is very easy integration for you, right? And you can solve these questions also. So taking 4 as a LCM, so sorry, कब से वीडियो बना लो ना, ऐसे होता है कभी कभी, और एज भी हो गई ना, बूढ़ा हो गया ना. x plus 2 minus x square dx. Now integrating this, we get 1 upon 4, right? This is x square by 2 plus twice x minus x cube by 3, and limit is from -1 to 2. Limit is from -1 to 2. Any problem? So we get 1 upon 4. If we substitute 2 square is 4 by 2 is 2, plus 2 into 2 4, minus 2 cube is 8 by 3, right? And if we substitute -1, so this is minus lower limit, this is minus, only minus, not equal to, right? So if we substitute minus, this is 1 upon 2, so this is 1 upon 2 minus 2, as x is -1, and minus 1 cube is -1, so minus minus plus 1 upon 3, right? So if you solve this equation, you will be get answer is 9 by 8. I know this, why I am writing, you have to simplify this, and you will be get answer as a 9 by 8. So required area, therefore A is equal to mod 9 by 8, that is 9 by 8 is your final answer. Got it? Question number 11, page 367 is a very preliminary question, so it's a homework for you, right? Find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to 4x and line x equal to 3. So y square equal to 4x is the parabola of x-axis. So what we get here? This is y square is equal to 4x. This is the curve y square is equal to 4x, right? This is x-axis, this is y-axis. I am not writing y equal to x equal to, and the line x equal to 3. So this is the line x is equal to 3. So simple integration from 0 to 3, as this is the line x is equal to 3, and region bounded by curve, so you can find out first and multiply by 2 times integration 0 to 3 2 root x dx, and you will get your answer. Now same question is this also, right? But we need to it need to be solved by me. So find the area bounded by the ellipse. So ellipse is given, you have to make a subject to y, right? So here x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. This is ellipse, so y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square upon a square. So we get y is equal to b upon a under root a square minus x square, that you know. Y is equal to b by a under root a square minus x square, as in phi is greater than 0, we are taking in first quadrant. Due to first quadrant, right, we take y equal to greater than 0, right? So now draw a figure of this is a given ellipse. So ellipse is like this, you know, right? So ellipse is, this is ellipse, right? Okay, this area is very big, okay, but it's okay. This is origin, this is x axis, y equal to 0, this is y-axis, that is x is equal to 0, and this is an ellipse, x square upon a square plus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And you know, foci of this ellipse is AE comma 0, is AE comma 0, and this foci S dash is minus AE comma 0. So what is your ellipse and the ordinates x equal to 0. So this is your x equal to 0. So this is x is equal to 0. This is the line x is equal to 0. Where is our color chalk? This is x is equal to 0 line. This is x is equal to 0 line. So that's why this is important to write. Okay. And x is equal to AE. So this is x is equal to AE line. So this is called latus rectum. X is equal to AE, right? So this part is called a latus rectum, and length of latus rectum this part is, and this is the latus rectum. Okay. So now we have to find out this, but you know ellipse is symmetric about both axes. So what we have to do, हम क्या करेंगे, फर्स्ट क्वाड्रेंट का एरिया फाइंड करेंगे और इसको डबल कर देंगे. So as shown in figure, as shown in figure, A is equal to 2 times mod I, where I is equal to integration. Now limit is from 0 to AE. So 0 to AE, right? 0 to AE, right? And curve is this. So B by A under root A square minus x square. And this is the standard formula that you know for integration. As I told you, बहुत time आएगी, है ना? So b by a constant, keep outside. So formula for this is x by 2 under root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a, and limit is from 0 to AE. This is different only. Okay. So if we substitute x is equal to AE here, what we get? This is b by a, this is AE by 2 under root a square minus a square is square, as x is equal to AE, we get a square is square plus a square by 2 sine inverse AE upon A. This is upper limit, right? Minus, if we substitute x equal to 0, this is 0, so everything is 0, and sine 0 is also 0, so everything is 0. So no need to write 0, but I'm writing. Okay. So now multiply by this, we get, if we multiply this, we get EA cancel, so BE by 2. If you multiply, we get BE by 2. Taking a square common means a common. So a under root 1 minus e square. A under root 1 minus e square. Right? Plus multiplying this, we get a cancel, AB by 2. So this is AB by 2 and sine inverse E. AB by E, 2 into sine inverse E, as A cancel. Now it is given B square is A square into 1 minus E square. So 1 minus E square is B square upon A square. So substituting that value here, we get I is equal to BE by 2 into A into under root 1 minus E square is B square upon A square. So this is B square upon A square. It is given, right? Plus AB by 2 sine inverse E. So plus AB by 2 sine inverse E. Right? So this is AB by 2 into A. This is B by A plus AB by 2 into sine inverse E. Right? So this A will be cut. So B square by 2 into E plus AB by 2 sine inverse E. So if we want to take B by 2 common, if we want to take B by 2 common, then what we get? B by 2 common, then we get 1 b is remaining, be plus b by 2 common, a sine inverse e. This is the answer which is given. Okay, so this is the answer. Got it? Now this is I. We have to find out this. So from 1, therefore a is equal to 2 times means 2 will be cut. So b into be plus a sine inverse e is the answer. Say this is nothing given. So from 1. So from 1 a is this. So this is your answer, right? तो इसमें आंसर ऐसा भी आ सकता है. Okay. Example number 11, same as we did for ellipse, right? In that question, we find out the area bounded by lattice rectum and origin, that is y-axis, right? And here similarly given is parabola, and we have to find out the area bounded by its lattice rectum and parabola. So this is the standard parabola of x-axis, right? So y square is equal to 4x. So y square is equal to 4ax is symmetric about x-axis, right? And focus of its focus, right? And its focus is as a comma 0. Its focus is a comma 0, and lattice rectum is x is equal to a, and lattice rectum is x is equal to a, that you know, right? So this is a preliminary knowledge required for solving this type of question, and you know very well. Okay, so if we draw a figure, also no need to draw figure, but for our understanding it needs to be drawn, right? 0 x y, x means y equal to 0 and y means x is equal to 0. This is y square is equal to 4ax, a standard parabola. So y square is equal to 4ax, right? And if this is a focus S, then this is a lattice rectum. This is your lattice rectum, that is x is equal to a line, right? This is x is equal to a line. So it's very easy question now. No need to say anything more, right? So what we have to do, as this is a symmetric about both y-axis, we can find out this area and double it. We will get our answer, right? So as shown in figure, A is equal to 2 times modulus of I, where I is equal to integration 0 to A. So 0 to A. Now y dx. So y dx means 2 root A into root x, 2 root A into root x dx. Now this is constant. So we get 2 root A. Right, integration of this is 2 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2, and limit is from 0 to a. Right, so this is 2 root a into 2 by 3 is constant. If we substitute x is equal to a here, we get a raised to 3 by 2 and minus 0 is 0, so no need to write. So this is 4 root a by 3, and this is a raised to 2 plus, 1 plus 1 upon 2. This is a raised to 1 plus 1 upon 2 is 3 by 2. So what we have to write? This is 4 by 3 root a into a root a. Power 3 by 2 means a root a. So this is a and this is root a is a. So this is a square. So we get 4 by 3 a square. What we get? 4 by 3 root a is a, and this is a, so a square. So what we get here is, therefore a is equal to 2 times 4 by 3 a square, that is 8 by 3 a square is the area enclosed by parabola, standard parabola y square is equal to 4x and its lattice rectum. So it's need to be remembered for you, राइट। आपको याद रखना है कि जब पैराबोला y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल 4ax स्टैंडर्ड पैराबोला दिया गया है तो वो पैराबोला और लेटेस्ट रेक्टम, राइट, एरिया एनक्लोज्ड बाय पैराबोला एंड लेटेस्ट रेक्टम इज 8/3 a square. What is answer? 8/3 a square. So everything is depend on this. Suppose parabola is given y square is equal to 24x, right? Then what is the area enclosed by parabola this and its latest rectum is 8/3 a square. Now what is a? We have to compare with 4ax. So 4a is 24, so a is 6, right? 4a is 24 here, so a is equal to 6, so 6 square is 36, so this is your answer, right? So you have to remember this formula: area enclosed by parabola y square equal to 4x and its latest rectum is 8/3 a square, right? And for y-axis you have to derive and remember. I'm not going to say, right? Same another question. Example number 12, page 373. Find the area of the region bounded by the line y is equal to 3x plus 2 and x-axis. So only one straight line is given. So it needs to be find out the intersection point of this line with axis, right? So if we want to find out intersection point with x-axis, then we have to take y equal to 0. If we take y equal to 0, so line y is equal to 3x plus 2 intersect x-axis in point suppose A. If we take for intersection of x-axis, we need to take y equal to 0. So if we take y equal to 0, then what is x? X is minus 2/3, right? So in A minus 2/3 comma 0 and y-axis in B. So y-axis means x is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0 and y is 2. If we substitute x equal to 0, y is 2. So these are the intersection point of lines for with x-axis and y-axis. So if we draw a line, our line is like this. So line is intersecting point A minus 2/3 comma 0. So somewhere here minus 2/3 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 means line is like this. I'm drawing first line and then intersection point. So this is our point B 0 comma 2 and this is our point A minus 2/3 comma 0 and this is origin, this is x-axis, that is y equal to 0. This is y-axis, this is x is equal to 0 and this is a line y is equal to 3x plus 2, right? तो पता चल गया है ना कैसे ग्राफ ड्रॉ करना है, स्ट्रेट लाइन का ड्रॉ करना है, कुछ नहीं दिया गया है तो आपको x एक्सिस और y एक्सिस का इंटरसेक्शन पॉइंट x इक्वल टू 0 और y इक्वल टू 0 पुट करके फाइंड कर लेना है, राइट? सो नाउ अगेन द गिवन कोऑर्डिनेट्स इज x is equal to -1. So x is equal to -1. This is minus 2/3. So x is equal to -1 will be here. So this is our x is equal to -1 line. Suppose this is the line x is equal to -1. So this is a point -1 comma 0, right? And line x is equal to 1. So I need to extend this graph because I want to draw x is equal to 1 because this must be an equidistance. But it's okay. This is a figure for understanding. So this is a line x is equal to 1. So x-axis is this axis. Coordinate this -1 and 1 and line means we have to find out the area between this and this. This is our x is equal to 1 line. So this area we have to find out. And as we discussed in first lecture, if line or curve intersect axis and goes down to another plane from first plane to lower plane, then we need to find out I1 plus I2, right? So as shown in figure, I have no space, as shown in figure, A is equal to I1 plus I2 modulus of I1 plus I2 where I1 is equal to integration. Now I1 is this one. So what is the answer? Minus 1 to minus 2 by 3, and line is this line 3x plus 2. So answer is minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. This is our I1 and this is our I2. So I1 plus I2. So I1 is minus 1 to minus 2 by 3, right? And curve is 3x plus 2. So 3x plus 2 dx. And I2 is equal to, now I2 is from here to here because this is in one plane. This is another plane, right? So minus 2 by 3 to 1. So minus 2 by 3 to 1, and the curve is same line 2 by 3 to 1, 3x plus 2 dx. So I hope so. I have no space. तो आप ये फाइंड कर सकते हैं. तो I1 का जो आंसर है वो आपका I1 का आंसर है वो क्या आएगा? आई थिंक सो माइनस 1/6 आएगा. और I2 का जो आंसर है वो 25/6 आएगा शायद. So 25/6. So therefore A is equal to mod minus 1/6 plus 25/6, that is 1/6 plus 25/6, that is 26/6, that is 13/3. So final answer will be 13/3. ये आपका आंसर आना चाहिए, राइट? मेरे पास मैंने बुक में देख लिया है, ये आंसर है फाइनल आपके टेक्स्ट में, तो ये आंसर आपका आना चाहिए. सो आप प्रैक्टिस कीजिए घर पे. बहुत ही इजी क्वेश्चंस है, राइट? ये हमने मिसलेनियस क्वेश्चन भी स्टार्ट कर दिए हैं. अभी जो आई थिंक सो देयर इज नो मोर इलस्ट्रेशन फॉर यू, राइट? सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व द 3 or 4 questions of miscellaneous exercise. Okay.